Hello guys, welcome back to Electromarine Mania. Today we are going to discuss something and we are going to work something because there is some rough idling. So I want to clean the throttle body. So what are the main tools is required is we need a ratchet of 10 mm and 13 mm. Most application is by 10 mm box spanner. First of all, whenever you are working on the sensor, you need to disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. So I have already removed this negative terminal. Once you removed, don't make any short circuits over there. So you can keep this net on there. So the complete electrical system is disconnected. Afterwards, you can cover something with that, okay? Because you can work on any kind of sensors. So the sensors will not get any short circuits because the battery already disconnected, and you need to remove the 10 mm bolt from here. You see this? From here I removed one, and here also I removed one. Okay, both keep it there, and you need to clip out this one, okay, and you can lift it, and this all air filter unit will come out. This is 2021 Toyota AYGO. I am going to remove the throttle body. This is a VVTi engine because of this solenoid 1 and solenoid 2 here. There is 2 solenoids to clean this throttle body, okay. So we need to remove the 8 mm square box spanner, 8 mm square. 3 screws are available, so you can just remove it and you can take it out. When you removing, very careful because you don't want to lose the gasket inside. Before take it out, you need to remove this one cable from the accelerator. When you take out this throttle body, you need to plug out this two, okay, these 2 clips. Unclip this 2, okay, unclip this 2, 1 and 2, and you can take it out. Already take it out. You don't break this orange color gasket, okay. So I am going to take it out slowly. I want to use some plier to out that 2 clips.
Okay, this is the throttle body. There is 2 hoses are available. This is for the circulation of the coolant. The same pink color coolant circulated through the jacket inside the throttle body because this not want to expand. If this one expand, the air ratio will be changed, so the exact air ratio need to go inside. Also, this is giving a good life to the throttle body because this is like a cast aluminum build body. So I don't want to remove this hoses because this clips is in too tight condition. If you like, you can remove. Once I removed and I put it back. The second one a little bit harder, so I not like to remove, but in the 30,000 kilometers I will remove it and clean it because I also want to change the coolant. So whenever you remove this coolant, you need to be careful. No water need to go inside this plastic cover, okay, the intake cover. So this plastic is very much stronger than the other cheapy crappy plastic like BMW and Mini. So this is very good plastic from the Toyota Lexus, okay. And this same engine is using for the Peugeot and Citroen for a long time, and this kind of engines are very reliable engines in the world. So these are the carbon deposits inside the throttle body, so I want to clean with a spray.
See, and just wipe it with this cloth. That's the thing. And once it's clear, I will box it up back and I will check the connections and all, and then I will start. Before that, I will clean this spark plug.
Now the time for boxing back. So once again I grip then I will put it back the filter body. This is my Mrs. Electromarine Mania with me. She is laughing. So now this is almost cleaned with this CRC. Now I am going to box it back with the 3 screws. So beware of this, coolant doesn't go inside the intake manifold. So almost completed.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching Electromarine Mania, and Jai Hind.